let's get to cooking. I got a squash, and we're gonna make some out of nothing. So what I'm going to do is, first off, take the sticker off. That's what we're going to do. We're gonna cut it. Oh. Oh my God. I didn't know it was this hard to cut a squash. Okay, stuck. Yep. I'm just gonna rip it open. That's all we got. We're trying to make spaghetti noodles. We're gonna pop it in the oven right now. See you in 40 minutes. So I got some asparagus to go with the pasta. Just gonna cut the bottom off. For my fish, I got some tilapia. So we're just gonna throw some blackened seasoning on it. A little bit of Old Bay seasoning too. Stir it up. So the asparagus is done. I'm gonna put that to the side. All right. So we're gonna add some oil to it. We're gonna add a little slither of butter to it. As the oil is hot, we're gonna add our fish. We're gonna flip it. The squash has been roasting for about 45 minutes. Ooh, smoky. And just get it over. Start scraping it. Like some. Okay, I don't think this is going. It's not going to be long, noodles. We're gonna do this. I was gonna cut it up, but we're just gonna add some butter to it. Gonna add some garlic. So you're gonna let that butter melt. Let the garlic get a little flavor into it. We're gonna add in our heavy cream. And make sure it's on low so it doesn't. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. So now we're just gonna pour in our Parmesan cheese. So the cheese is melted. Look at that cheesy goodness. So we're gonna cut it down on low, and we're gonna add our spaghetti squash substance. And now, okay, now it's looking like noodles a little bit. Gonna incorporate that into it. Make sure that's stirred up. I'm going to plate it. I'm going to add the spaghetti squash Alfredo straight on top of it. Our asparagus right. Look at how good this place looked. The spaghetti Alfredo squash with the asparagus, the blackened. This bad boy looks pretty. This might be one of the prettiest looking plates I ever had. Let's try the squash Alfredo. Honestly, if they weren't that like short of noodles, you wouldn't even tell that it's not noodles, because they have the same consistency as noodles. Try the fish with this spaghetti squash. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. the season and the crispiness of the fish cuts right through the richness of the Alfredo sauce. Top tier. Cool, nobody says. This might be one of them. This might come up in the rankings of one of the best things I ever cooked. Hey man, keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Peace. I'm like, yo, impressed with myself. Very impressed with myself.